guys, Cindy A. Lewis here, and I have a traveling haul for you. There's my hubby.
Hey.
And we're driving for a little weekend getaway, and you know I have to stop and check out the Dollar Trees and the different things that they have. And so this Dollar Tree in Joplin had some new items I had not seen, so I'd like to know if you've seen them at your stores. And I'm gonna just show you what I found, and let's get to it. All right, so first I found the cutest little gnome little kitchen set for Christmas. It has a pot holder with the little snowflakes. They're cute. And then the matching towels. Adorable. And this is the one that I liked. There was a second one, and I did take a picture, and I'll put it up so you can see it and see if they've had those there for you. And along the gnome line, since gnomes are so popular these days, I guess they decided to make gnome stockings, and I can't remember if they had them last year or not, but I think they're so cute, and I couldn't make it for $1.25 at all. And then I did go ahead and pick up some tissue. I think I'm going to try some tissue on my master board for my Christmas planner that I'm working on, so I thought I would try that. And this is the little truck, little red truck. And guess what I saw? This is the first time I've seen this. None of my Dollar Trees have carried any of the ink pads. These are pigment ink, so they had blue and red, that's it. So I'm going to have to try them out and see how they stamp. Has anybody picked these up? Red, blue, pigment ink by Crafter Square. Alright, so then I'm on the lookout for a friend for some stamps. And Dollar Tree's been adding some really fun stamps to their collection in the Crafter Square area. And so I wanted to show you what I found at this store. So this one is super cute, and these are all different stamp type. They look like a stamp, like a postage stamp, okay. And look how cute that is. And then I believe I have this one at home. It's very vintage, but I wasn't quite sure. Now I know I have the calendar one, so I know my friend would probably like that one. And then look what they have, all these sentiments. These are perfect for cards. They're not too big, or even good for your tags. Yeah. So cute. Have you guys seen these? So we had to have some snacks. Is anybody else a Red Vines licorice girl? I don't know, I am. Oh, and my hubby got some of those Werthers. Yeah. And then there is a President of the United States book. How interesting is that? Very interesting. So got that, and then the world's greatest book. And this is the story of how we got the Bible for $1.25. It is Worthy Publishing. $1.25. Alright, the last bag that I did pick up, which I didn't buy that much stuff, but I found some things that I thought would be fun. Now, I have not seen this snowy greenery at my stores. Isn't that pretty? We have to make something with that. And then, of course, you've got this snowy, wintry willow. So there's quite a few. I think there's 5 branches to it. And then we did have to buy some sustenance for our room. You know, I don't know. And I also found these little LED gnome lights. You get 10, and they are cute. I didn't bring batteries with me on my trip, so I don't have I don't have batteries to try them out, so we'll have to do that another time. But anyway, that is from the Joplin, Missouri Dollar Tree, and I found some really awesome stuff. They were really great, appreciated them, and it was a brand new store, so you saw the picture at the beginning, pretty nice. And so anyway, thanks so much for watching, and watch for more.